There it is.
Oh,
There it is.
yep, there it is. It's double deck.
It's on the outside track, looks like.
Oh wait, no, it's the 716, so it's the double in the front. That's right. No, come on, crossing. Oh, there's the corner again. Oh, this car's gonna get stuck.
No, he's not.
Yay.
He needs to
See?
Go. He needs to go if he's going.
Oh, yeah, there's the bell. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, that other gate, you need to go down.
Yeah, it
Oh, there it
waits.
goes.
It waits a little bit. The Safetran bell was kind of quiet. The rare bell was kind of quiet. Oh, Capitol Corridor.
It's short. It's only got 4.
It has an old engine.
Huh. That's cool.